Hi, I'm Dr. Gary Sanchez, and I bet I'm a lot like you. I'm one of those dentists that has spent hundreds of thousands of dollars to be the best dentist I can be. I've taken countless continuing education courses, as I'm sure you probably have, from guys like Bill Dickerson, David Hornbrook, Larry Rosenthal. I've been through the Pankey Institute. I've done bioaesthetics at OBI. I've taken the docs course. You name it, I've taken it, all in an effort to train me and my staff and to create a great practice. I thought somehow that taking these classes would get me more patients. I've bought the latest and greatest technology to stay on the cutting edge, and still, despite everything I've tried, nobody was beating down my front door or lining up outside my office. I've sat behind this desk many nights wondering where my next patient was going to come from and how I was going to fill my schedule and manage my overhead that never goes away. A couple years ago, I went through a bit of a rough time. I needed new patients and wasn't getting enough of them, despite everything I was trying with advertising and networking and asking for referrals, the usual stuff we're supposed to do. I was willing to try just about anything when a friend of mine asked me if I was using the internet. I told him that I had a website like everyone else and that sure, sometimes I would get inquiries from it. But that's the problem, he said. You have a website like everyone else, which means that you have a glorified online brochure. You are not using the internet. I said, what do you mean? He said, the internet is the most effective tool for reaching people that has ever been created. The problem is that you don't know how to use it properly. You just put up a couple of pretty pictures of smiley teeth, you talk about yourself and your gadgets, and you have no clue how to attract people to your site, actually connect with them when they get there, find the right fits for your practice, and continue communicating with them until, when they're ready, they choose you as their dentist over the slew of other dentists in your area, all of whom have the same pretty site as yours. I thought, you know what? I don't know what I'm doing. And that began my journey into the internet marketing world. I sought out the best internet marketers I could find, and I began taking every course I could get my hands on. I took webinars at night after work. I flew around the country taking seminars on the weekends so I could learn how to do this myself. I implemented these strategies that I learned, and they worked. Take a look here. As you can see, before applying the techniques I learned, I was getting between 8 to 12 new patients per month, which just wasn't enough. Since I began using real internet marketing, I now get between 30 and 40 new patients a month after month, consistently. It's completely remarkable, and what I know for a fact is that if you can learn to be a dentist, you can definitely learn to do this, though obviously not in this short video. So here's what I'll do for you. I'm going to host a free webinar where I will share with you exactly what I'm doing to get all these new patients. All you have to do is show up, and I will tell you my exact process, one that I am certain will work for you as well as it has for me. Register for the special webinar by clicking on the link below. By the way, if you're wondering why I would share this information with you, here's the thing. I only practice in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I neither need nor want patients from anywhere else. So why not share a successful system? Just click on the link and sign up for the webinar. And if you can't make it at that time, don't worry. As long as you register, I'll send it to you. So I hope I see you there. Thank you.